Determination of alkalinity. Alkalinity of water is due to the presence of those types of substance in water which have tendency to increase the concentration of OH- ions either by hydrolysis or by dissociation of water. Principle: hydroxyl ion present in a sample as a result of dissociation or hydrolysis of solutes are neutralized by titration with a standard acid. Thus, the alkalinity depends on the endpoint pH used. The endpoint pH may be 4.5 to 5.1 for total alkalinity and 8.3 for phenolphthalein alkalinity. Let us start the experiment. We need sample sodium thiosulfate, 0.02 normal standard sulfuric acid, methyl orange indicator and phenolphthalein indicator. We require the apparatus, pipette, dropper, conical flask and burette. Now, a sample of required volume, that is 25 ml, is pipetted into a clean conical flask. Then, a drop of sodium thiosulfate is added if the sample has any residual chlorine. Two drops of phenolphthalein indicator is added. If the pH is above 8.3, the color is pink. This sample is titrated against standard sulfuric acid in the burette till the color just disappears. The volume of the titrant used is noted, that is V1. Then 2 drops of methyl orange indicator is added. The color turns yellow. This solution is again titrated against the acid in the burette till the yellow color just turns orange yellow. The volume of titrant used is noted, that is V2. From this titration, we get V1 equal to 2 ml and V2 equal to 4 ml. The color change during the titration as below. Calculation. We get phenolphthalein alkalinity as mg per liter of calcium carbonate equal to V1 into N into 50,000 all divided by V. Total alkalinity as mg per liter of calcium carbonate equal to V2 into N into 50,000 all divided by V, where V is the volume of the sample, V1 is the volume of standard acid used up to phenolphthalein endpoint, V2 is the volume of standard acid used up to methyl orange endpoint, and N is the normality of acid used.